Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on your iPhone after updating iOS 26.1. So let's jump straight into the solution. Solution 1. Turn airplane mode on and off. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Turn airplane mode on. Wait for a few seconds. Then turn it off again. This simple step can refresh your network connection and often solve minor Wi-Fi glitches. Solution 2. Forget and reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. Go to Setting app, tap on Wi-Fi, tap the eye icon next to your connected network, select Forget this network, then reconnect by entering your Wi-Fi password again. This clear out any old or corrupt network setting that might be cause the issues. Solution 3. Reset network setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Go to General. Scroll down and tap Transfer Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Tap Reset Network Setting. Confirm again to reset. This will raise all your saved Wi-Fi network, Bluetooth connection and VPN setting, giving your iPhone a fresh network start. Solution 4. Check for software update. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Go to General. Tap Software Update. If a new iOS update is available, tap Download and install. Sometimes Apple fixes Wi-Fi issues in never updates, so keeping your iPhone update is always a good idea. That's it for today's video. If this helped you, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.